yesterday, busted my ass squeezing under this little Del Sol to get the shifter changed, wore me out. So today, next day, yeah, it's like 78. We're gonna do the coilovers. Got it jacked up in the front, jack stands so it doesn't fall. Already broke the top two nuts loose by hand. So now let's get under here. Just came out. If I mount these in flush here, that's lower. I think I could put the bolt there and raise it, but I'd rather have this fork sit where it's supposed to sit. So I'm going to try to see how much adjustment I have here to raise this a little bit. So I got to break this loose and extend it. All right, this side's all buttoned back up. I used the lower bolt mount. I think that'll give me about an inch lift. I couldn't really break that loose. There was tape on it that says it's torqued from the factory, so I took out those bolts, take out the fork, and then the two bolts at the top. I just zip tied the brake back in. Couldn't find a bolt to replace that one, but my other coilovers had this bracket on them for holding the brake line. So yeah, tighten those two back up. I did the bottom bolt here to hopefully give me that little bit of lift, and tightened everything back up. 1, 2, it's literally 4 bolts just for the coilover. So not hard at all. The scariest part for me is these fucking jack stands in the jack, because I'm so afraid of the car falling, crunching, you know, damaging the car trying to do this minute crap. So maybe I got an oil leak somewhere, probably all over the place. But all right, let's get this wheel back on. Moment of truth for the front. I'm going to jack it up a little bit, pull the jack stands out, and lower this bad boy. Oh yeah, that raised it. Not a ton, which is fine. More worried about the feel of the ride. This thing feels like you're driving on fucking cinder blocks. And I still think it's low enough. So, all right, on to the rear. I'm gonna move the wheel chocks to the front. thank God, thank God, thank God. I didn't measure the other side, but again, 3 bolts, not difficult. Check, make sure they're similar length before you swap one the fuck in, because I didn't do that. But and I didn't put the circle back in, god damn it. Looks like I'm taking that back off. Back, both sides are in, 3 bolts each, really not hard. I had to raise it to put them back on, so I do think it's going to be taller. Oh yeah, oh yeah, raised a good chunk. I think that's going to be way better feeling. Definitely not going to hit as many fucking speed bumps and cracks in the road and everything else, so very happy. I'll bring you along for the first test ride. Let me get all this shit put away. So already just sliding back into it, into the driver's seat. Like I said, I'm about 6'3", 230. Just sitting back and getting into the car, I can already tell it's a little bit higher, not a ton. And like I said, I'm more worried about the feel when I'm driving. So I'm waiting for the lady to get home. She'll probably notice the biggest difference in the drive feel, so we'll see. I told him you were going to be the difference in feel decider. I'm going to go with it. Already feels better.
Yeah, it didn't make creaky ass noises coming out the driveway.
Still making noise. All right, we're done. We're back from the test ride. She did good. Feels way better. Still makes a lot of noise, but that is just the Del Sol. The top vibrates. I think the factory jack's bouncing around in the back on the bottom of the floor, but way smoother. Just high enough when I hit speed bumps and stuff. I'm not as worried about ripping the whole undercarriage out. So stoked on it, happy, very easy. The lady said it's easier to ride in, so we're happy, we're good. Fan's fucked up, radiator's fucked up. Not the radiator fan is all jacked up. It's making a weird noise, which is fine because I have a new radiator and fan in the garage. That will be the next install video, which I've done before, but I'm doing my tried and trues. My hybrid racing shifter, the Tein Coilovers have been good for me, and Bishimoto radiators, I put them in all my other cars, so we're throwing one of those in. So have a good one.